Hi, this is Paige from Mosaic Moments, and I am going to show a quick tutorial of the Arches die set. The arch dies are great for framing your photos on scrapbook pages. They are a subtle accent, but add an elegant touch to your layout. The Arches set comes with two dies, the 3x5 size, shown on the left, and the 2x3 size. The larger die is great for framing your favorite photos, and the small die is fabulous for highlighting those small photographs. Now that you have been introduced to the die set, let's get started with the tutorial. First, I am showing how to cut with the larger die. I am going to cut my arch frame out of cardstock, which I have here. I'm going to roll it through the machine, and notice that I have my die at an angle, and this will help give you a cleaner cut. And there's my frame. It was really easy to roll it through, and the frame popped out. And now I'm going to cut my photo, and I'm just going to keep the center part this time, so I don't need the frame piece. I'm trying to put the die on straight so my photo won't be crooked when it's done. And this time I'm going to use a crease pad. So this machine is the Sizzix BigKick, and the crease pad helps you not get an embossed edge. The crease pad leaves the edges of your photos smooth. So I just pulled my photo out and see you have the smooth edges, and now I'm done. Now I'm going to use my Herma Dotto to glue around the sides and the corners of the arch die. Then I'm going to take my time and I'm going to get it on my grid paper. What's nice about the grid paper is everything stays straight and aligned perfectly. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. But yeah, it's really easy, especially with the grid paper. And now you just got to stick your photo in. See, it was that easy. Pretty much 2 steps. Add the frame and then glue the back of your photo and put it right in the middle. Now I'm going to cut with the 2x3 arch die. And again, I'm using cardstock to create my frame. And I'm following the same steps as the big one. Roll it through the machine, and the frame part came out really easily, and that'll look really good on the page. I'm all done with this one. And for my layout, I actually decided to make the small arch die with 2 different colors. And I'll be cutting with this die 3 more times. I'm going to use the arch die again to cut my photograph. And again, I'm just going to keep the centerpiece. So it's pretty much the same steps as the larger arch die. This is my crease pad, and I'm using it so I don't get those embossed edges. And now it's done, and I'm going to follow these steps 5 more times. The rest of the pieces are all cut, and now I am carefully gluing down my arch die cut. This is a very thin die, so be careful not to tear or bend it when you glue it down. Again, I'm just using the Dotto Herma dispenser. If you need, in past videos I've talked about making the base piece to glue down your frames easier. In this case, you could use the 2x3 die from set C and put it in the background first. Alright, the last step is to just add my photographs. So all I have to do is glue it down on the back and stick it right in the frame, and it fits right in. So I just put the glue on around the edges on the top and bottom and some in the center. And that's all you need. This is repositional tapes, or glue, sorry. It's repositional glue. And if you want to, like sometimes you may look at a photo and decide, I don't like it at this spot, and switch it with another one. And so that is why the repositional glue is really handy. All right, I'm sticking on my last piece and it fits right in. And I am done. So this is the final result. I enjoyed creating this layout with the Arches die set. They were a great choice for these photos of New York City. Be sure to subscribe to our channel if you would like to see more videos like this one, and give this video a thumbs up if you like the arch die. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, And I hope you have fun scrapbooking at home. See you next time.